So, good morning, children. Now, in Math, Chapter 21, more about expanded form. Now, we already introduced the 3-digit number, right? Now, you already know the 3-digit number. Now, how to write that 3-digit number in expanded form, I'm going to teach you that. Suppose the number 428. Okay, this number how we will write in expanded form. 8 is in ones place. 8 is in ones place. Already I have taught you this. 2 is in tens place. 8 is in ones place. 2 is in tens place. And 4 is in hundreds place. Four is in hundreds place. Okay. So this we can write like this: 400 plus 20 plus 8, because 4 is in hundreds place, 2 is in tens place, and 8 is in ones place. So 100 into 4 times we have done 100 into 4 plus 10 in tens we have done 2 times. In ones we have done 8 times. So it is 400 plus 20 plus 8. It is like this: 428. Right? This is very long form. So no need to know this much now. Only at this time, if you know 8 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, and 4 is in hundred place, this much is enough for you to know now. Okay. If you know this also, it's well and good if you understand this. But at present, if you know this, it is well and good. If you understand only this, it is well and good. Suppose a number is given here, okay, 635, and we'll ask you to write this in expanded form. See, in your math book, it's given. Write the place value. See here, in the book it is given. Write the place value and expanded form of the given number. It is written like this. So try to understand this, okay? So here 600, because it is in hundreds place, this is in tens place, this is in ones place. So 600 plus 30 plus 5. We have written like this because 5 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, so 2 digit, and 6 is in hundreds place, so 3 digit. Okay. So now 5 is in 5 ones. 5 ones. 30. Here 3 is in tens place. Here 6 is in hundreds place. hundreds place. In the same process, you have to do the exercise given in page number 62. I am explaining you one more so that you can do it by yourself. Okay? Try to do it by yourself. So, I am explaining you one more. 749. In the same process, you have to do this. See, here it is in hundreds place, tens, ones. So, 700 plus 40 plus 9. So, 9 is at ones place. 4 is at tens place. And 7 is at hundreds place. Is it clear? So, in the similar way, do all the exercises given in page number 62. A to J. Okay? From number A till J. Try to do this.